Yaba khona accident I think angiphuma Wheels and Smoke, so sengidriver back endlini, so uyawazi amagusheshe mawul spinner unokulifaka i-slip diff kwesiba ngcono for driving and spinning, yabo. So igusheshe lami line-slip diff ke, but i-slip diff azizwani namanzi isikhathi esiningi, sathola amanzi nje siqala, yabo. So not ukuthi ngangespina, bengidriver nje ku R59 ngase Albertine, so mawuzothena nje ebridgini laphana kunendawo I think igcwala amanzi or iphuma amanzi ngaphansi kanti kune truck phambili. So mangiza emva kwe truck mangithi nanka amanzi, sashaya amanzi, masiqala ukushaya amanzi saqala salobe sidlala kanti kune truck phambili le petrol phambi kwami. So i-truck le petrol alisuki ku fast lane and ngapha ngilobe ngilwa nemoto ngize ngendapha ngithi because beliku fast lane ngithi no man angiphume eceleni kwi slow lane. The minute ngithi I don't know how to drive we truck wathuka ukwenzalani ngathi nje mangithi slow lane same time wavele wathi nayo slow lane. Kanti vele ke slip diff ke silobe siyashelelela savele saphenduka kwa ukuthi kuse bridging ashale insimbi zebridge then yajumpela ngale nabo layo shona phansi yaphela tu yaphela nya.
And then Usola got believe.
Usola uzokhuluma.
Nah, you know why, right? You know why I don't believe. So the way he's describing the accident, smash impact on the barriers of the bridge. Now the bridge is elevated as an embankment. Car rolls 10 times, and it's an old car from the 80s or 90s, and it's a soft top car. How is it that a man this big, cramped in that small car, doing all these impacts and and rotations and spinning, he comes out not that harm?
I get to 12.
Hi, Cafe.
Hey, I'm so good.
Makes sense. Now it makes sense.
I'll make tea.
It's Albertine, man. It's a snake park.
You guys me wrong.
Oh, that's
Bad, man. Jeez, that's bad.
Mouse crawler nje lapho. So
left or right, Phezulu ngaboni izinto kumele ngasiboni.
Hayi mina angidli.
Okay, this is bad.
That's bad.
That's really bad, Bafethu. But into engayisho la Bigzulu the way esinto engakhona kwi accident yakhe shows ukuthi abakokwabo abangasekho abahlambulukile banaye nomdali futhi unaye, because abantu abaningi they don't understand ukuthi as humans masiphila samba nemimoya thizeni esalwe nayo ama guardian angel ngesilungu, yabo. So yibo labamsindisile kule accident meke kuyo, but abantu abaningi ke they will always talk into ezimbi just like ukuthwala and all that, but mina as uVKS cover I don't believe ukuthi Bigzulu uthwele, you understand. Mina I see a man that is working very hard ukuthi abe la khona today, uyayibona into leyo. So in other words ngizama ukuthina uBigzulu sinde because of uNkulunkulu naba kokwabo ahlambulukile idala zabo kwabo zamvikela nazo, because obviously abantu abadala bayakwazi ubona into engesengayiboni thina already bona beyazi ukuthi into ezokwenzeka, so bamprotect. Even nomdala uyakwazi ubona into engenzeki and then bamprotect. So enye mina angifakazi ezinye ukuthi wayethwele nje angisifakazi lezo, because I don't think like mfethu umuntu osebenza nzima kanje ungabuthwele. I don't think so. Lo muntu osebenza very hard lo muntu lo. If mina ama podcast lapha ekhona ama interview uhleze ukuthi mina work hard, mina ngize ngibela ngikhona today kancane bafethu.